In this video, we are going to be looking at a probability type of question here that you might see on the ASVAB. And I am pulling this question here from my website called mathmaven.co, that is mathmaven.co, and a link to that will be in the description below. Alright, so this question states, William took 6 tests with the following scores: 65, 75, 65, 79, 82, and again 65. If William takes another test tomorrow and wants to average 74 on all 7 tests, what score does William need on the test tomorrow? Alright, so this one's kind of a mouthful. Alright, this one can be kind of a lot here. Let's try and think about what they're actually asking for. Alright, what is the question actually asking for first of all? The question is asking, what score does William need on the test tomorrow? Alright, what score does William need on the test tomorrow in order to get an average of 74 on all 7 of his tests? Alright, well, we know that the average then, well, first of all, how do we calculate average? Average is the sum of all the things you have divided by the total amount of things that you had, right? So we have 6 tests right here, and we know that he's going to take some unknown test tomorrow. That's going to be, we'll call that X in sort of algebra land. All right, so let's go ahead and just sort of write that down right now. We're going to have 65 plus 75 plus 65 again plus 79 plus 82 plus 65. All right, that was the 6 tests that he already took, and then a 7th test, which we will call X, that he's going to take tomorrow. All of that divided by 7 needs to equal, all right, I'll put this a little bit down here now. That needs to equal an average of 74. All right, because again, this whole part here, up here, is how you calculate average. It's, again, the sum of everything that you have divided by the total number of items that you had. All right, so now it just becomes a basically algebra problem, all right, where we now need to solve for X, because that's going to be the missing test score to help get us, or William, the average of 74. All right, so first let's go ahead and simplify like terms here. We can go ahead and add up all of these together, so let's just go ahead and do that right now. All right, we are going to have 65 plus 75. All right, that's going to be 140 there. Let's add on another 65. That'll be 205. Let's add on, make some more room up here. 205 plus 79 actually. All right, that's 79. That'll be a 4. That'll be an 8 there and a 2. Now we're going to add 82 to that. That's going to be 6 and a 3. Again, they make some more room up here. 366 here plus 65. All right, plus 65. That's going to be 1 there. It's going to be a 3 and 4. All right, so we have 431. All right, so what does our problem look like now? Our problem now looks like 431, which is the sum of the 6 tests that William already took, plus some unknown test called X that he will take tomorrow. All of that divided by the total amount of tests that there are here, the 6 plus the 6 tests that we already know, plus the 7th that we don't know, so that's 7 total tests here, so divided by 7, that's going to equal the average that William wants on these 7 tests, which is 74. All right, and now looking more like a normal algebra problem, right? Now we just need to solve for X still. So again, we'll multiply each side by 7 to cancel out these 7s. Whatever we do on one side of the equals, we need to do to the other side. So now we need to do 74 times 7. I cannot do that in my head, so 74 times 7 here. Let's see, that's going to be 28. That is 49, so that's 51. All right, so we now have 431 plus X equals 518. All right, now subtract 431 from each side, so those will cancel out. Subtract 431. Oops, I didn't mean to make that line so big. There we go. Give myself a little bit more space here. Let's see, that is going to be 7, and that's going to give us Let's substitute here. That's going to give us 87. All right, so X just equals 87, all right? William needs an 87 on this next test in order for all of his tests to average to a 74. All right, so we go ahead and click on 87 here, check that answer, and it turns out to be correct. All right. If you didn't get that one correct, no worries. That's what I love about mathmaven.co is we have this button right here that allows you to retry this type of question with different values. So you can just press that button right here, and now we're given different values, and you can retake the same, you can redo the same question and practice it over and over again until you really understand the actual process of how to solve this problem. All right, and you can be very confident that you know how to solve this problem now. So again, I hope that explanation was helpful. If it was, drop it down in the comments below. Let me know that it was helpful and what other types of questions that you would like to see me explain also. If you found this video helpful, please do hit the like button. Consider subscribing because I come up with a lot of new content that helps you solve different types of math problems that you will see on the ASVAB. And until next time, have a good one.